Happy New Year everyone again, and welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. I hope you're having an amazing day out there. Today is very hot and I am going to show you how I make my mango drink. This is a very easy and simple mango drink recipe and I'm excited to share with you all. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients: fresh mangoes, cans of passion fruit soda drink, condensed milk, passion fruit pulp, mango tang powder, and water. Okay, we'll go ahead and peel the skin of our mangoes. You can use a knife, potato peeler, or whatever it's easier for you to use. Okay, so we'll peel the rest of the mangoes and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, next up, got this from my local Asian grocery. They were selling these, but if you don't have these, or if you don't have this, you can go ahead and use a fork. You don't have to get this, but I'm using this and that will scrape off the mango easily. Now I like to have chunks of mango in my drink. Some people use the blender, it's okay, however you want it. If you want chunky mangoes in your drink, go ahead and do it this way. Continue on with the rest of the mangoes. If you have a glass container, whatever you're going to use to mix your drink, this is what I'm using. I've got it's about a 10 litre. So I'm just going to transfer my mangoes in here. Okay, so just give it a stir. Now we're going to go ahead and add our passion fruit soda drink. Now this will give a nice fizzy taste to our drink. Don't add it if you don't want it, but this is sugar free as well, so it shouldn't be too sweet. I'm adding the evaporated milk now. Add the last can of soda. I'm now going to, so for this one, I purchased this from I got it from my local Indian grocer. I think it was $10 for this container here, about a kilo. Anyway, if you don't have this, you can use the New Zealand mango and orange flavour rara. Okay, we're going to add about 4 tablespoons. Now this is not too sweet as well. If you use this to mix a drink, you still have to add sugar. But what it does to our drink, it gives it a nice extra flavour. Okay, let's go back in there and keep mixing our drink. Smells really nice. Smell the mango flavour from all those ingredients we've added so far. Now, next up, we will add our passion fruit pulp. Now, I am going to use a sifter to add these because I don't want the black seeds or the passion fruit in my drink. But if you don't mind it, go ahead and add it straight in the drink. So I'm using about 3 small cans, but feel free to use more. Now I'm going to add some water so I can try and use up all that passion fruit flavour that's stuck in the sifter, and then all I'll have is the seeds left on the sifter. I'll add more water. Give it a good stir. Now our last ingredient is our condensed milk. Give it another good stir. Now at this stage I'm going to add some water as well. So probably about 1 litre of water or less. Play around according to the size of the drink that you're making and the amount of the ingredients that you're using. That is everything. I'm going to give it a taste and see if we have to add more ingredients. For me, it's okay and it's perfect. But if you need more sweetness in it, you can either add more condensed milk or you can add more of this. Because I think this will give it a more mango taste and a little bit of sweetness as well. So either condensed milk if you want a little bit sweeter. For me personally, I'm happy with the sweetness so far. Then again, it's up to you. If you want to add sugar, go ahead and add it. If you want to leave this out, if you don't want to use this, don't add it to the drink. But that's how I make, and that's how I like to make our mango drink in this summertime. I hope you enjoy making this drink with me. I'm going to put it in the fridge now, or I can add some ice and make it nice and cool to drink. Hope you enjoy that recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell below so you can be notified for more videos that I put on weekly. Thank you again, everyone, and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.